Van Gogh Never Boldly Went by TRIER in 70 by 70 cm rounds version 1 special treatment starts with 3 kinds of pearls. First, we've got lemon pearls that are sprinkled in the yellow areas of the picture. Then we also have some lime pearls that we have now sprinkled on the green areas. And finally, for version 1, we also have Arctic pearls that we have sprinkled on the light blue areas. So these are the areas you see with light blue. Sprinkle your Arctic pearls there. Lime for green, Arctic for blue, and lemon for yellow. This is version 1 of Van Gogh Never Boldly Went. Van Gogh Never Boldly Went in 70 by 70 cm rounds version 2 now adds ruby crystals that we have filled in for the lights of the ship. So these are the sparkling red crystals that you see. These are ruby crystals that are now shining from the ship that represents its lights. Van Gogh Never Boldly Went in 70 by 70 cm rounds special treatment version 3 now adds sapphire diamonds that we have sprinkled in the night sky. You can focus on the dark blue areas. For example, these dark blue waves. All of those. So sprinkle it in those areas, and feel free to also sprinkle it in the night sky, the dark black sky, because then this will act as the stars representing the stars in the sky for this painting. So you've got a sort of Van Gogh look that is super sparkly. So for version 3, we've got a total of lemon pearls, lime pearls, ruby crystals, and sapphire diamonds, all placed on the corresponding colors that match the beads.